My name is Max J. Colvin. Live in New Matamoros, Ohio, and I am a patient of Dr. Jason Schott. And I've been a patient of Marietta Memorial Hospital for over 50 years. Our family doctor years ago was Dr. Duncan, and he was associated with Marietta Memorial Hospital through Robert Rudolph, and that the connection I had. So in 1992, I had open heart surgery and a double bypass there in Columbus. And so I've been diabetic all these years since then. And I knew that I was getting to where I couldn't get my breath. I couldn't walk any distance at all. And I'd had two major surgeries. I had both knees replaced and got through those and everything. And then coming in to see John Arnold was seeing me as a cardiologist or in that department. And then he said, we'll have to do a catheterization to find out what's going on. So they done that, and then he recommended from the doctor that done the cath that I talk to Dr. Schott because it was available now rather than going away. So definitely I wanted to do that, and I wanted to get something done. Because I was sick, I really was. And so first was Caitlin, the navigator. I got in touch with her, had an appointment with her, and then Dr. Schott, and we progressively went through the TAVR replacement, which is what John Arnold found out that was the problem with the aorta. I came here and got into Marietta with John, and that's the rest of it's history. Everyone was attentive and asking about how I felt, whether I was comfortable, and they kept me posted as to what was going on. And with these catheterizations that I had 4 or 5 of those, or just in a short period of time. That those people there were great to keep me. They would talk to me and tell me what was going on. So, if you have any kind of problems with breathing, or think that you don't have any energy or no stamina, and get to a cardiologist and get checked out, because there's many things that they can do, more than I ever thought that I could get done. I really thought a year ago when this was happening to me, and I was failing, and I couldn't. I would come to the hospital and I had to be pushed all over in a wheelchair. And today I wasn't that way, so that's quite an improvement. One of the main things is the locale for me, because I lived all my life in Monroe County, and I don't like the big cities. I don't like to get into that hustle, and it's just natural for me to come to Marietta if I have a health problem. My wife didn't have to worry about, I didn't have to worry about her either, because she could either go home, go to my daughter's and stay overnight, or so that was, local is good for me. I've had good results from Marietta with the surgeries I've had, with my children, my wife doctoring here, giving birth to my sons and daughters, and it's our hospital. I mean, it's where we go.